In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to warp an image in Canva. We'll walk through this together from inside the Canva editor, so you can follow along on your own screen. Make sure you already have a design open in Canva, or create a new one and place an image on your canvas that you'd like to warp. Once your design is open, click directly on the image you want to warp. As soon as you select it, you'll see a toolbar appear at the top of the screen. This is the main control area for editing that specific image. On this top toolbar, look for the option labeled Edit or Edit Image and click it. When you do, a panel will open up on the left side of your screen, showing you all the different effects and adjustments you can apply. In this left-hand panel, scroll down until you find a section called Apps. This is where Canva hides a lot of extra tools and effects, including the one we need. Click on See All in the Apps section. At the top of this Apps page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type the word Warp. From the search results, look for an option called Warp Brush. Select Warp Brush and then click the Warp option. This will open the Warp tool controls and connect the tool to the image you selected. Now you'll see settings where you can adjust the brush size and the brush strength. Brush size controls how big the area is that you're affecting at once. A larger brush is great for broad, gentle warps, while a smaller brush lets you work on tiny details. Brush strength controls how intense the warp effect is. A lower strength gives you more subtle, gradual changes, and a higher strength will create stronger, more dramatic distortions with just a small movement. Once you've set a brush size and strength that you're comfortable with, move your cursor over your image. Click and drag on any area you want to warp. As you drag, you'll see the image starting to bend and stretch in the direction of your movement. Take your time here and make small controlled drags so you don't over-distort the image. You can experiment with different directions and brush sizes to shape the image exactly how you like. When you're happy with how your warped image looks, go back to the left panel and click Save. This will apply the warp effect to your image and return you to the main editor, where you can continue designing as usual.